Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of July, 2025, our system has rated Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with an increase of 1.22%. This results in an average return of 0.61% per day since being categorized as hold accumulate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this could very well be an early signal of a trend shift. Upon reaction, there will be support at the peak of the current trend that has been broken, which is $17.42. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, $19.45 will be the next potential trend peak level, thereby establishing a resistance level that may not be breached on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 34.73% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 47.57% to negative 40.66%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 12.05%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 68.30% to positive 115.45% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.07 and $41.28. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 1.22% on Thursday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 1.22% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025. It rose from $18.93 to $19.16. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.16%, with a low of $18.67 and a high of $19.26. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 5.33% over the past 2 weeks. The volume fell by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $138 million. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 64.96%, or $35.52 below the 52-week high, and 75.86%, or $60.22 below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, is making strategic moves by applying for trademarks related to artificial intelligence, such as Truth Social AI and Truth Social AI Search. This pivot into AI could enhance user engagement and platform monetization, potentially driving revenue growth. In addition, the company is venturing into the cryptocurrency space with plans to launch a new exchange-traded fund focusing on major digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana, which could attract a broader investor base. The growing interest in cryptocurrencies has elevated DJT's market visibility, and if the exchange-traded fund gains regulatory approval, it could create significant upward momentum in the stock price. Despite a recent decline of over 15% in June, market enthusiasm surrounding these new initiatives could lead to a reversal in sentiment, especially with high short interest, which could trigger a short squeeze if buying pressure increases. The current economic landscape, coupled with Trump's distinct political angle and a supportive retail investor base, allows for unpredictable market rallies, making DJT a potential highlight in emerging market trends both in the short and long term. The key will be the company's ability to successfully harness artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency developments to bolster its financial standing and market proposition. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far, it has risen by approximately 10.11%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals were also issued, and these may influence the short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a general sell signal for the stock, indicating a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $19.32. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $18.68. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 34 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 109 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 104 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support from accumulated volume at $18.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 590 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.16%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted yet another insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 19.565. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.42, reflecting a decrease of 3.86%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several positive indicators. However, these do not suffice for us to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current position, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors should either retain or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Upon examining the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by 13 cents and begin trading at $19.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.